Good morning from Redondela. We are getting ready to hit the road, but first I actually need to get some breakfast because there was no breakfast at the hostel I was staying, and I didn't bother to buy any at the supermarket. So yeah, we'll do that. All right, so the plan for today is to go to Pontevedra. I didn't even check how many miles that's going to be because I don't want to be discouraged. The old lady yesterday told me that there was going to be some sort of storm today. Let's hope that that is not going to happen. But just in case, I have worn my entire anti-rain outfit. And yeah, so far so good. No problem. I'm kind of sad that I didn't really get to explore Redondela. It was raining a lot yesterday. But hopefully I'll get to come back someday. It's a nice little town. Hey, Enorio. Only 85 kilometers left to Santiago. Still no breakfast. I want some coffee. I would really like some coffee. Oh wow, check out this house. And you know what's cool? Not only do they get their mail there, here they get their bread. I don't know if that's still working or not, or if they still get bread there, but interesting, very interesting. The uphill walks have begun. Hopefully not as steep as yesterday's, but we'll see. We trained for this, right? We did. "84 kilometers to go. Uphill." Ah, yes, I am a happy girl. I am carb loaded and ready to go. There's always a Puerto Rican flag hanging. Isn't this pretty? Oh, it's so nice, quiet and peaceful. I love it. Oh, the views, so beautiful. The camera doesn't do it justice, but that was a hell of a climb. Woo! Thank God it's not raining yet. So I'm doing the Camino Portugues de la Costa, or the coastal route, and I'm not literally on the coast, but check out these views of the bay. Oh man. I've noticed that there are a few of these markers that don't have the number of kilometers left to Santiago. Is there a kilometer thief around here? Crazy. Anyway, so these markers in Spain, they're called mojones. In Puerto Rican Spanish, which is what I speak at home, mojones, or singular mojón, means poop. Yeah. Follow the poop, my friends. There's always a Puerto Rican flag. Yay, we made it to Arcade. There was supposed to be some pretty bad weather with storms, rain, heavy winds during this Camino. So far so good, I'm counting my blessings. But because of that, I had drawn alternative maps through Google Maps to go through the cities instead of through the forest in case it would be too dangerous. Thank goodness the weather has been okay and the signs for the Camino are really good, so I haven't gotten lost. Almost did, but I haven't. And so far so good. So let's keep it going. Also, I should say that it's a good thing that I didn't need to use my alternate maps because they're on my phone and I don't have any cellular service. I hardly have any Wi-Fi in many parts. My eSIM has completely failed me, or let's face it, I suck at technology. I probably don't even know how to hook that up. So yeah, let's keep it as analog as possible. Hello from Arcade. I've got my gigantic bottle of water, palito, and a little bit of rain, or as they call it in the Basque Country, sirimiri. This is a medieval bridge called Ponte Sampaio. In the early 1800s, Spanish forces defeated Napoleon's army right here. And now that I think about it, maybe I should have said Galician forces defeated Napoleon's army here. Correct me. So I just met this lady who was selling these vieiras.
Yeah, ciao.
Or scalp shells, which all pilgrims carry. She was raising money for her granddaughter's school trip. So I happily gave her the €2 donation that she was requesting. And she also gave me a bag so I can more easily carry my water bottle. All right, let's continue. Never, ever, ever. ASMR moments with yours truly. Born to be wild. You got that right. Oh boy, the difficulty level on this Camino is, let's say, a notch higher than the Camino Finisterre. Yeah. Whoa. Ah, look where I've arrived. So there's this guy whose name is Manny, or Manolito, and he has a stand here for pilgrims to get their vieira shells and other types of souvenir. Of course, given that it's February, it's winter, the weather is not conducive for a bunch of pilgrims to be walking this way. Well, Manolito's not here, so I missed him. But I get to sit here and relax at least, and drink a little bit of water. Oh boy, the shit has hit the fan. So I'm going this way in the woods. Okay, story time. So it started raining hard and the Camino was entirely flooded. I had been walking for a few kilometers with this French guy, and we were talking along the way. He decides to go through the like thick shrubbery and I'm like, oh hell no. So I stayed as close as I could to the Camino. I went up the shrubbery a little bit, but still being able to see the Camino so I wouldn't get lost. And finally I was able to see that the water had receded in an area of the Camino, so I kind of like slid down into the Camino. And here's my friend. I'm making a recording of my adventure trying to get out of that flood. This is my French friend from the Camino. What is your name, by the way?
Michel.
Michel, I'm Taina. So we both survived the flooded Camino, and now we are about to enter Pontevedra. Will we make it? We will.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Because Trump is with us.
Bye. My home for the evening.